Why choose lemon template machine? Because lemon quality level beyond the industrial standard, beyond the made in Zhejiang standard. Why choose lemon rotating head template machine? We can make quick analysis and train users according to different process designs. Lemon rotating head easy for difficult process designs, especially for corner stitching, cross stitching, point to point perfectly, and get more beautiful stitches. Lemon rotating head easy for reverse stitching. The lower thread fits the upper thread perfectly. The reverse stitches exactly same as forward stitches. Lemon rotating head easy for foam material. Lifting head function easy to move the frame in and out. Easy to press the foam material and stitch it smoothly. Lemon rotating head easy for heavy material. We can do 15 fixed thread for car seat, sofa, stover, etc. And easy for light material. We can do 20D, 30D light material, such as silk, chiffon, and knitted material. Lemon rotating head easy for big size material. It has big working space. X can reach 2,400 mm. Y can reach 1,400 mm. Lemon rotating head easy for saving labor and time. The machine easy to operate. Don't need skilled workers. And the green hand can learn and use it currently. Lemon robotization lead the future. We adopt the most advanced system. Can be docked with the robot. Realize the unmanned digitization factory. Lemon rotating head easy for different process, easy for reverse stitching, easy for foam material, easy for heavy material, easy for light material, easy for big size material, easy for saving labor and time, and will not outdated. Lemon make sewing more easy.